How to get no username on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get no username on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, go to the Profile tab and tap Edit Profile. Here, tap on the name field. Next, enter any character instead of a username. Then, tap on Done and select Change Name for confirmation. Once saved, refresh your home page. After that, reach the Profile tab and you will see no username on your profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.